Welcome to Jobstoabroad.com. Our website and our previous videos links available in description.
Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon.
If you are residing in UAE, you must aware of UAE Labor Law. UAE Labor Law. Federal Law No. 8 of 1980. Labor Law and its amendments. 2001. Employment of workers. Article 9. Work is a right of the United Arab Emirates nationals. Others may not be employed in the UAE, except as provided for in this law and its executive orders. Article 10. In the event of non-availability of national workers, preference shall be given to 1. Arab workers who are nationals of an Arab country. 2. Workers of other nationalities. Article 13. Employees who are not UAE nationals may be employed in the United Arab Emirates only after approval of the Labour Department and the obtainment of a work permit in accordance with the procedures decided by Ministry of Labour and Social Affairs. Work permits may only be granted if the following conditions are fulfilled. A. That the employee has the professional competence of educational qualifications that are needed by the state. B. That the employee has lawfully entered the country and complies with the conditions stipulated by the residence regulations in force in the state. Article 17. No natural person or body corporate is allowed to work as an agent or supplier of non-national employees unless he has a license to do so. However, such license may be issued if necessity so requires only to nationals by order of the Minister of Labour. A license shall be valid for 1 year subject of renewal, and the licensee shall be under the supervision and control of the Ministry. Said licenses may not be granted if an employment office pertaining to the Ministry or to an authority approved by the Ministry is already operating in the area and is able to act as intermediary to supply labour. Article 18. It is not permissible for any licensed labor agent or supplier to demand or accept from any worker whether before or after his recruitment, any commission or material reward in consideration for arranging such recruitment, nor may he obtain from him any expenses except as may be decided or approved by the Ministry of Labour and Social Affairs. The persons supplied by a recruitment agent or a labor supplier shall, immediately upon joining the service of an employer, be considered employees of that employer and shall be entitled to all the rights enjoyed by the employees of the establishment in which they are employed. The relations between such employees and the employer shall be direct and without any interference from the labor agent whose task and relation with them shall cease to exist as soon as they are introduced to and employed by the employer. Please subscribe and share our channel Jobstoabroad.com. Thanks for watching.